Hey, tubers. Okay, real brief. This computer keeps cutting me off, so I gotta be quick. Part three on lessons learned. Uh, you know what? Getting the video, getting good classic video, even ain't a problem. The problem is getting it edited and getting it published. Once again, that's the hidden cost. You might have to upgrade your laptop, get you a tablet, get you other, get you some software. So you can't just publish it. Now this Hero 8 I'm thinking about getting just to get up in the groove here. I think it does post live to YouTube or Facebook, which means you're putting out supposedly 4K video without processing using GoPro colors probably, which are fine. And there ain't processing. Now that's for me. I ain't got time at the end of the day of going and having adventures and trying to film them. Just sit down and play around with my video editing software for hours and wait for 4K files to get loaded and rendered and processed and whatever. So that's something to remember. You can't just buy in this camera and just like upload it like you can from your phone, your cell phone. So if you want the greatest video, I mean, I'm not caring that much, but I want it to be as nice as I can. Not like this from my old, from the blurry, dirty camera in my old Toshiba satellite about 4 generations back. Okay, like I had said before, you're not just buying a camera, you're buying accessories. Well, here's a caveat to that, or an addendum. You're not just buying a camera and accessories, you're buying support gear, which is what I was alluding to earlier. You're gonna maybe have to get a laptop, maybe a better graphics processor, especially if you want to process 4K videos. If you're doing indoor stuff where you ain't using the sunlight's benefit, man, you're going to need lights and everything else if you want to be Mr. Vlogger or just put out fairly credible videos, not like this. So that's a lot of gear and a lot of money, and that may not be in your budget. So it seems like you're buying a fairly cheap, pretty well-priced action camera, which you are. But there's hidden costs in there, so I learned that. Here's a big one. Quit moving your head. I'm riding my motorcycle. I got it up on my head and the headband. Every now and then I'll pan, and I'll try to be careful about it, thinking, oh, they're going to have a great view to the left there. And I'll pan over there. Oh, they're going to see my shadow riding on that field. That'll be great. And I'm going, and it just makes the video look blurry and stuff. I mean, if you're going to do it super slowly, of course, in the parts of the road where there ain't nobody coming for miles, and even then, probably ain't a good idea. You're not keeping your eyes totally on the road. So for video quality and for safety, just keep looking straight ahead. It's a wide angle camera. It's going to catch most everything. And I've seen from parts of the videos I filmed that I didn't move my head, and I did. It just looks a lot better if you just keep looking pretty much straight ahead. So there you have it. Those are my things, lessons learned. I'm sure I'll learn a bunch more, but it's not out as a public service that I mention that to you. Obviously, from things I said, I'm not sponsored by GoPro. I got about 60 subscribers, and I get about 3 views per video if I'm lucky. So I sure ain't sponsored by them, and if I was, they wouldn't have me telling this stuff. But something to think about if you're fixing to buy a GoPro and thinking about it and watching these videos ahead of time. It's probably a good idea. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it. We'll see you on down the road. Bye now.